All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this another strong one reaching out, still on the matter. Yoruba Nation are going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Well, with this one reaching us, a lot of things are actually happening. Onto this one made it clear that the Yorubas are the enemies of the Yorubas. What has Chief Sunday Igboho done to the Yorubas? Yoruba gangan ni ọ̀tá Arawon. Kí ni Sunday Igboho ṣe fún àwọn ọmọ Yoruba? This is so serious, and this one is coming after the 8th day of the death of Chief Sunday Igboho's mother. A lot of things had reached us where some set of people actually went for the 8th day burial of Chief Sunday Igboho's mother, which happened yesterday, the 29th of July. But with what is actually reaching us right now, it was gathered that after a lot of people went there to condole with Chief Sunday Igboho, another information reached out to us on how some set of people went there for another motive. My brother, my sister, this is so bad. Well, with the information reaching us, it had been gathered that some set of people went there who had been sent by the Nigerian government. Now, let's talk about this set of people. We'll be talking about the DSS. That this set of people went there and then they went to spy to see if Chief Sunday Igboho would be around, if Chief Sunday Igboho was around, so to say, so that they can arrest him. My brother, my sister, this is so serious. And then with the news reaching us, it was gathered that the set of people who actually went there were even Yorubas. They were the Yoruba people that were sent to go and spy to see if Chief Sunday Igboho was around, and then in case they see him or he was there or anything, he should be arrested anyhow. My brother, my sister, this is so strong. That's why we have made it clear here that the Yoruba people are actually the enemies of themselves. Now, you as a Yoruba man, you were sent. Well, to me, I thought all this old thing had died when Chief Sunday Igboho had stayed for a very long time in Benin Republic, and we also thought everything had died since the former president that was there when Chief Sunday Igboho was set to be arrested had left the position. Talking about Buhari right now, we thought the whole thing was in the hands of Buhari. Now that a Yoruba man is there, we thought, everything is settled. To the extent some set of people have even been of the opinion that the president that we have now, who is a Yoruba president, should allow Chief Sunday Igboho to come back to Nigeria. So this is exactly what would have happened. So this is exactly what they were even planning. I said it before now that a lot of people who are saying they should talk to the president to allow Chief Sunday Igboho to come down to Nigeria without being arrested, without being disturbed. Now we now know better that most of all these people are actually even planning to set Chief Sunday Igboho up. Well, to me, I think this is another thing that has destroyed the whole agenda that the people actually have in mind. Their agenda is already destroyed. If you are out there, you are planning that Chief Sunday Igboho to come back to Nigeria, and then you think by doing that he will be arrested. I think this agenda is now destroyed. Right now we know who is who, and then lo and behold, Chief Sunday Igboho himself had heard about the plans of the DSS to get him arrested, the plans of the Nigerian government to get him arrested, because right now I don't know who must have sent them, who must have sent this DSS to come around to that same venue that the burial was held yesterday. This is so bad. This one is just reaching us, and right now I think all the Yoruba people out there needs to be very careful. Everybody needs to do the needful to make sure Chief Sunday Igboho is free, because right now we don't know if we will still have to make Chief Sunday Igboho to come back to Nigeria. For now, anybody talking about the fact that Chief Sunday Igboho should return to Nigeria, I think the person should just mute. This person should just forget about that. It can't work. Right now, a lot of things are actually going on. Yoruba ni ọ̀tá Yoruba o. Kini Sunday Igboho ṣe fún ọmọ Yoruba? This is so serious. Ọ̀dàlẹ̀ abalẹ̀ kú. Ẹni bá dalẹ̀ abalẹ̀ lọ. Don't push Chief Sunday Igboho to the wall so as not to cause Yoruba land. Stop treating this truthful man like this. Chief Sunday Igboho actually came with a clean hands to help the Yoruba nation movement. But right now, with what we are saying, a lot of people who had actually said it earlier that the Yorubas are not worth dying for. I don't know why the whole thing is now coming to pass. Because right now, the same set of Yoruba people were sent to spy. Even some of them, according to the news reaching us, some of them were in that burial ground. That remembrance ground that they were having the ceremony yesterday, and then with the information reaching us, it was gathered that some of them were even in Mufti. Some of these people were in Mufti. Meanwhile, some other people were all over the place watching to see if Chief Sunday Igboho will be in that place, so that it can, so that it would be arrested. But thank God for God, Chief Sunday Igboho was not there. So this is what would have happened. And a lot of people were of the opinion that Chief Sunday Igboho should just come to Nigeria. They were saying it before now that you should just come and do what he has to do and leave the country for them. But right now, it has now shown to us. They thought they would be able to perform this their ugly act again, and thank God for God, and thank God for those who actually notice them, and some of their pictures have been sent. In fact, definitely very soon you'll be seeing the pictures of these people who were actually sent to spy if Chief Sunday Igboho would be coming around. My brother, my sister, what exactly does this tell you? With all the punishment, with all the hardship in the country, majority of people are still working against the truth. This is so bad. The Bible says you shall know the truth shall set you free. But I never knew that some set of people who actually know the truth don't even want to abide by the truth. This is so serious. This is unfair. Right now, a lot of people have actually reacted in different forms. That things are so expensive in the country. People are dying on a daily basis. We can no longer, in fact, we don't even know where we are going to in this country. Somebody came out yesterday, one of the senators was of the opinion that Nigerians should not even get it twisted. He just made it clear that they should not even be thinking if this scarcity and the hardship will stop in no time. That it will stop in no time. That don't get it twisted. That in the first phase of this hardship will be about 6 months. My brother, my sister, what do you think? Right now, we don't need anybody to, we don't need a soothsayer to tell us that it is not so, because right now we have spent about 3 months of this. We have spent about 3 months. Okay, is it 3 months? From May, June, July. All right, this is 2 months right now. 2 months of it is past already, because the president was sworn in May 29. Between May 29 and then June 29 makes it 1 month. Between June 29 and then July 29 makes it 2 months. Today is 30th. My brother, my sister, 2 months. Nigerians are suffering. The hardship is becoming, in fact, it is becoming too much, to the extent that a lot of people are regretting They were even of the opinion that they prefer the former president to who we have right now. Yet, with all these things that we are facing, some set of people don't even want the truth to come out, to emerge. They are not even supporting the truth. Then tell me, who are exactly this set of people that are doing all these things? Because I don't understand what exactly is going on in this country. Why are we going to sit back and then watch our life remain in this manner? That is why the good people, the people who actually understood the truth, have made it that no going back on Yoruba nation. I don't know why they still want us to remain in this country. What has Chief Sunday Igboho done so bad that they are after his life? But one thing for sure is that no matter what they do, no matter how they plan it, God will surely vindicate Chief Sunday Igboho. Right now, we know who our enemy is, and definitely, I think the whole game will change henceforth. Well, still on the matter, Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.